Good morning, students. Let's start today's class from representing rational numbers on number line. See, students, there is a number line given in the picture. We have already been representing the integers on number line. You are already familiar with representing natural numbers or whole numbers or integers on number line. But students, now you know rational numbers also. On this number line, you know how to represent integers. But what about the rational numbers? Numbers like 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3 or minus 1 upon 4. If such number exist, then those numbers are also lie on the number line also, na? It's not only that we know we have been representing the integers on number line, that only integers are lying on the number line. There are rational numbers are also lying on the number line, and today we are going to represent those rational numbers on this number line. Okay, now let's see an example. Represent 4 upon 5 on number line. Here 4 upon 5, denominator is 5. So each section of this number line, that is from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 से लेके 3 तक, 3 से लेके 4 तक, same in the negative side also. From 0 to -1, -1 to -2, -2 to -3 and so on. We will divide this each section in 5 subsections as given in picture. See where is written 0 in the picture and where is written 1. Between 0 to 1, how many smaller lines are drawn? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fifth one is where is written 1. So you have divided this section in 5 subsections now. Now on the first it is written 1 upon 5, then 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, and this next one we can say 5 upon 5, but value of that is 1. Okay, because डिनोमिनेटर में 5 लिखा था और हमने 0 से लेके 1 के बीच में 5 सब सेक्शन में डिवाइड किया है, 5 और छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स कर दिए हैं, इसलिए हमने अपॉन में यहाँ 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5 एंड 4 upon 5 लिखा है. अगर हमने इसको 4 सब सेक्शंस में डिवाइड किया होता, मतलब अगर डिवाइड किया होता इक्वल पार्ट्स, कीप इन माइंड चिल्ड्रन, तो हम 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4 इस तरह से लिखते. और यहाँ पर रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए कहा गया था नंबर 4 upon 5, तो वो नंबर 0 और 1 के बीच में ही आ चुका है. सपोज अगर आपसे कहा जाता है रिप्रेजेंट करिए 6 upon 5, तो आपने जैसे बिल्कुल 0 से लेके 1 तक छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स में, आप सेम वैसे ही 1 से लेकर 2 तक भी डिवाइड करेंगे. 1 इज 5 upon 5 एंड आफ्टर 1 जो पहला पॉइंट आता वो होता 6 upon 5. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. वी विल बी टेकिंग सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स. सी this another example. Now the red mark is at -3 upon 5, mean to say we have represented -3 upon 5 on the number line. Okay children, since in denominator 5 is given, since it is in minus sign, minus direction, so that's why we have subdivided the पार्ट फ्रॉम 0 टू -1. ओके, चूँकि ये माइनस वाले डायरेक्शन, नंबर माइनस का है, इसलिए हमने माइनस वाले डायरेक्शन में 0 से लेके -1 के बीच तक कितने इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है? 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स में. क्यों किया है? बिकॉज डिनोमिनेटर में 5 लिखा है. ओके, नाउ द फर्स्ट वन इज -1/5, -2/5, -3/5. देन दिस -1 के प्लेस पे आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? -5/5. द सेम क्वेश्चन अगर मैं आपसे कहती हूँ कि रिप्रेजेंट -6/5, तो आप क्या करेंगे? जैसा आपने 0 से लेके -1 तक किया है, वही सेम चीज़ आप -1 से लेके -2 तक भी कर देंगे. वैसे ही 5 पार्ट्स में, 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स में -1 से लेके -2 तक भी डिवाइड कर दीजिए और काउंटिंग को ऐसे ही करते रहिए. -5/5, उसके बाद -6/5. Is it clear? We will be seeing another example. Now let's represent 5/3 on number line. See, number line is drawn here. In denominator 3 is given, so each section from 0 to 1 we will divide in 3 parts. From 1 to 2 we will be dividing in 3 parts. Okay, and this number 5/3 does not lie between 0 to 1, but it is lying between 1 to 2, as I explained to you in the previous 2 examples that I have shown you in this example clearly, that if any number lies beyond 1, so how we will be representing that? I have shown you that in example. Similarly, जैसा कि आपने 0 से लेके 1 तक उस नंबर को जितना डिनोमिनेटर में लिखा है उतने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. अगर वो नंबर 0 से लेके 1 के बीच में नहीं आ रहा, लेके 2 तक भी वैसे ही डिवाइड करके देखेंगे. अगर वो नंबर वहाँ पर आ जाता है तो रुक जाएंगे, अगर नहीं आता तो फिर 2 से लेके 3 तक सेम वैसे ही डिवाइड करके देखेंगे. अगर वो नंबर वहाँ पे आ जाता है, वी विल बी स्टॉप देयर. Okay, let's see new thing now. Find rational numbers between given two rational numbers. The example here given says find 3 rational numbers between 1/4 and 1/2. Children, इन दोनों के बीच में आपसे रैशनल नंबर पूछा है. So very basic thing what you can do is आप इन दोनों को ऐड कर दीजिए और उसको 2 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए. तो what you will be getting? The midpoint between these two. Isn't it a good method? हम क्या करेंगे, जो भी 2 नंबर दिए हैं हम उनको ऐड करके 2 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं तो हमें मिड पॉइंट मिल जाएगा. तो 1 पॉइंट तो हमें मिल गया. See here, the number line is drawn and written 1/4, 1/2, and in the midpoint 3/8. You can see that number line. Now between 1/4 and 3/8 we can do the same process. We can find the midpoint between 1/4 and 3/8. Another one number we will be finding. Now what we can do is we can also find a midpoint between 3/8 and 1/2. So how many numbers you have found? 1 3/8 you have found. One number between 1/4 and 3/8 you have found. And the third number between 3/8 and 1/2 you have found. So you have found 3 numbers. You can find endless numbers, children, endless numbers. Okay, see this example carefully. In every line, now this is written in the second number line. See, between 1/4 and 3/8 the number is written 5/16. And how they have found it? 1/4 plus 3/8 and divided by 2, है ना? And now between 3/8 and 1/2 in the third number line, which is representing in the picture, 7 upon 16 is found. Children, total between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2, how many numbers you have found? 3 numbers. 3 numbers were asked in the question to find. You have found 3 numbers. But children, keep in mind that there are endless points. You can do this process endless times. Okay? Now, see, let's find 5 rational numbers between -3 and 0. To make this question a little easy, let's see this on number line first. On the number line, I have represented 0, -1, -2, -3. Children, two numbers so we already have found. This -1 and -2 between the 0 and -3. We have to find 5. That means 3 more rational numbers we need to find. The process we have used in the previous example. If I found midpoint between -3 and -2, I can find one number. If I find midpoint between -1 and -2, another number I can find. Now one more number we can find the midpoint between 0 and -1. So 2 numbers are already there. 3 numbers we are able to find very easily. So total how many numbers we will be finding? 5. We need 5, so we will be done. So let's see how we can do this. See, here I have written midpoint between -2 and -1. I have done the same thing. I have added the two numbers and divided by 2. The answer we are getting is -3 upon 2, which I have represented with the green color. You can see. Now children, this work I am leaving for you. Find one number between using the same process. Between -3 and -2, I have put question mark with the red ink. Okay, you will be finding the midpoint between -3 and -2 and -1 and 0. So one number is -3 upon 2. Two numbers with the red question mark, you will be finding these. So how many total numbers you will be finding, children? 5. Okay, this is your practice part. Please find the midpoint between -3 and -2 and the midpoint between -1 and 0. Okay, and you will be completing your question. Good luck.